Okay, this is just a little technical follow-up to the first video I posted where I did a quick playthrough of a G major scale and a G minor scale, which I think turned out to be a Dorian scale. Sorry about that. But one of the key things that you need to understand when you're trying to memorize tetrachords is the pattern of the tetrachord shape scales is the tetrachords used in your typical Western scales. For example, you have your major tetrachord, which is whole, whole, half, the minor tetrachord, which is whole, half, whole, the diminished, which is half, whole, whole, and the augmented, whole, whole, whole. Now, a major scale, for example, the Ionian mode, has a pattern of two major tetrachords connected by a whole step. Then you have your Dorian mode, which is two minor tetrachords connected by a whole step. Phrygian, which is two diminished tetrachords connected by a whole step. Then, of course, you have Lydian, which is the augmented tetrachord, and a major tetrachord connected by a half step. Mixolydian, which is a major tetrachord and a minor tetrachord connected by a whole step. Aeolian, which is a minor and diminished connected by a whole step. And finally, the Locrian mode, which is a diminished and an augmented tetrachord connected by a half step. So as soon as the faster you're able to get those down, the much easier it'll be for you to really just fly through memorizing them. Let's see, was there anything else I wanted to mention here? Oh, yes, one thing. One reason when I was examining these tetrachords is that if you take the pattern of half steps and whole steps of the Phrygian scale and you write them backwards, you get the major scale, and vice versa. Exact same thing with the Locrian scale and the Lydian scale. And then let's see, I was just looking at this. I thought I was just looking at this. Oh, yes, and if you take the formula for a minor scale, for natural minor scale, and write that backwards, you get a Mixolydian scale, and vice versa. Really neat stuff. Alright, well, that was it, so thanks for watching.